Hey moneymakers, welcome to Leo Mind, your free ticket to financial freedom. Before we start, let me say, yes, I'm an AI avatar. But the secrets I'm sharing? 100% human approved, no BS, and totally free. No courses, no upsells. Just you, me, and a guaranteed path to making money on TikTok. Deal? Let's dive in. Picture this. 2 years ago, I was you, scrolling TikTok, dreaming of quitting my 9 to 5. Today, I'm helping thousands earn $5,000 monthly plus, without showing their face or filming a single video. Sound impossible? Let me prove you wrong. Today, we're diving into an exciting opportunity, earning money through TikTok Shop's affiliate program without ever showing your face on camera. Sounds intriguing, right? Let's explore this step-by-step journey together. What's TikTok Shop? Imagine this. You post a 30-second video of a super cool product. Someone buys it through your link, you get paid. No inventory, no shipping, no customer drama. It's like being a virtual salesperson, but way cooler. And guess what? You don't need followers. I've seen brand new accounts hit $10,000 a month in weeks. TikTok's algorithm is begging to push small creators right now. So, let's get you started. First, we start with understanding TikTok Shop affiliate marketing. TikTok has rapidly evolved from a platform for short, entertaining videos to a robust marketplace where creators can monetize their content. The TikTok Shop affiliate program allows individuals to promote products and earn commissions on sales generated through their unique links. This means you can tap into TikTok's vast user base to generate income without the need to handle physical products or customer service. TikTok Shop integrates product discovery and purchasing seamlessly within the app, enabling brands and creators to achieve instant sellouts. This platform has been a game changer for many, offering a unique blend of entertainment and shopping. For instance, beauty brands have leveraged TikTok's virality to drive significant sales and brand visibility. Consider the inspiring journey of Ale Brain, a young entrepreneur who leveraged TikTok's affiliate program to transform her life. You can see how much she sells each month. With over 400,000 TikTok followers, Ale utilized the platform's live selling feature and affiliate program to promote her jewelry brand, Love Ale. Her efforts paid off significantly. Ale's story exemplifies how TikTok's affiliate program can lead to substantial financial rewards. So, how to find winning products to promote? First rule, sell what's already selling. Here's how. Stalk your For You page. Look for videos with tons of likes and a Shop Now button. Click the product link. If it has that 1,000 plus sold Macy and piece 4.5 plus stars, Mesmeita, jackpot. And TikTok's secret weapon, the Creative Center. It's free. Go to Profile, Creator Tools, TikTok Shop, Product Marketplace. Sort by bestsellers. TikTok literally hands you trending products. If you are really serious about TikTok Shop affiliate, you can use Kalo Data. It shows every product analytics you need. You can see most popular creators too. Link is in the description if you want to try free. I will give you a pro tip. Health and wellness dominates for faceless creators. Think collagen, vitamins, or fitness gear. Why? You can rave about results, glowing skin, energy boosts, without filming yourself. Make sure you are careful when suggesting anything health-related. We do not want to suggest people any harmful product. Now, the challenge is creating content without showing your face. One common hurdle in content creation is the discomfort of appearing on camera. Whether due to privacy concerns or personal preference, many are hesitant to showcase themselves. But what if you could create engaging, high-quality videos without ever stepping in front of the lens? Enter Arcades, an innovative AI-powered platform that transforms text or product details into professional video ads in minutes. You will have all links in description. With a vast library of lifelike AI actors, customizable scripts, and sophisticated editing tools, Arcades makes video production accessible and efficient. This means you can create compelling content without the need for cameras, studios, or even a filming crew. Why Arcades stands out? It has user-friendly interface. Arcads welcomes users with varying levels of technical skills, making it easy for anyone to create dynamic, high-quality videos. It is good with batch video creation. The platform allows for the rapid production of multiple video variations, perfect for A/B testing and targeting different audience segments. Multilingual support. With support for over 35 languages, Arcads enables you to reach a global audience effortlessly. Step-by-step guide to creating your first video with Arcads. Step 1. Sign up. Begin by creating an account on Arcads' official website. Step 2. Choose an AI actor. Browse through the extensive library of AI actors. You can filter by gender, age, and category to find the perfect match for your product. Step 3. Script your video. Input your script or use Arcads AI to generate one. Ensure it highlights the product's benefits and includes a clear call to action. Step 4. Customize. Adjust the actor's voice, gestures, and settings to align with your brand's tone. Step 5. Generate and download. Once satisfied, generate the video. In just a few minutes, you'll have a professional-grade video ready for upload. With your video ready, it's time to harness TikTok's features to maximize your reach. You need to use hashtags. Use relevant and trending hashtags to increase visibility. Also, you should engage with trends. Incorporate current TikTok trends to make your content more discoverable. Most important, consistent posting. Maintain a regular posting schedule to keep your audience engaged. Final thoughts. Embarking on a TikTok Shop affiliate journey without showing your face is not only possible, but also highly achievable with tools like Arcads. By combining innovative technology with TikTok's dynamic platform, you can create compelling content that resonates with audiences and drives sales. Remember, consistency, creativity, and authenticity are key. So, why wait? Start your affiliate marketing journey today and unlock the potential of TikTok Shop. Thank you for joining us in this comprehensive guide. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, happy creating!